Good day, brothers and sisters. This is Steve Sandoval, and welcome to Pathways of Hope. Today we reflect on John 21:15 to 19, where Jesus meets up with his apostles in the shore of the Sea of Galilee. This is the third time that Jesus appears to the disciples since he had resurrected. He had just performed a miracle of having them catch 153 big fish in a net during that early morning. And as they rowed the boat going towards the shore, he cooked breakfast for them. And when Peter, who swam to the shore, got there after having eaten the breakfast, Jesus, before his disciples, proceeds to ask Peter, "Do you love me?" Three times. We all know that Peter had denied Jesus three times before the cock crowed. And we can recall that the disciples also were nowhere to be found in that time. And so this is a way of Jesus showing his disciples that he forgives them, not only Peter, but all of them who had left him by himself. When Peter says to Jesus, "You know I love you," Jesus says, "Feed my sheep," meaning that the Lord forgives him, but as reparation for his sins, he asks Peter that he take care of the sheep who will follow after he ascends into heaven. So he's telling Peter, "Please take care of my sheep." And he proceeds to say that when you were young, you are able to go wherever you want to go. But being the shepherd of the sheep, there will come a time when someone else will dress you and lead you where you do not want to go. This is an indication of how Peter will be called back to Rome and will eventually lead his disciples as they're crucified and sacrificed in the arena. And Peter gives himself up willingly. We, like Peter, are also called to be his shepherds to other people. And as his shepherds, we must be willing, like Jesus, to give our lives for the sheep that he sends us. We will have relationships with younger brothers and sisters in the Lord who will need encouragement, who will need our words of reminder that Jesus loves them. And it will not come in a very convenient time. And many times we need to sacrifice for their sake so they may know the love of the Lord. The love of the Lord for us is truly unconditional. We may be unfaithful like Peter, but he will always forgive us. And we see that for us who have given our lives to him today, he makes sure that there is always someone who will take care of us. He will send someone to feed his sheep. So Jesus sends pastors, evangelists, or even just ordinary brothers and sisters in the Lord who will care for us, encourage us, feed us, and remind us of his words. So, brothers and sisters, be assured that nothing can separate us from the love of God. As St. Paul in Romans 8:38 to 39 said, no matter what sin we have done, we can ask God for forgiveness and He will send us someone to love us unconditionally. Nothing can ever separate us from the love of God. As Catholics, we have the sacrament of reconciliation to gain Christ's forgiveness and the Eucharist that feeds our souls. Let pray with me. Dear Jesus, thank you for your call. Thank you for choosing us to be your sheep. Thank you for the pastors, evangelists, brothers and sisters who you call to encourage us and lead us as your shepherds. May God bless you all.